In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the color picker tool in Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. First is we just need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type paint. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the Microsoft Paint, we are going to, or I'm going to demonstrate how we can use the color picker tool. So let me just quickly insert a shape from here, okay? And then this one. Okay, like that. Now, the use of the color picker tool is that it allows users to select a specific color from an image and make it the active color for painting. This means that for the next action that you're going to take, say if you're going to draw another shape or another line, the color will be the chosen color that you have used, okay, or you have chosen. So here we just need to simply click on this fill icon and choose our color from here like that. Okay, then here we have this color picker tool, so click on that and we just need to simply choose a color. So let's go with pink. Now in order to choose it, you have to click on it. Okay, then we just need to simply draw a line. Okay, and now if I'm going to draw it, this will be in color pink. Okay, as you can see. Now let's go with orange. So click again on the color picker tool and choose or pick orange. And if I'm going to draw this shape, the diamond shape, this will be in an orange color. Okay? So that's it. That's how you can use the color picker tool in Microsoft Paint. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.